he's just got to stay out of danger to win this fight, I think. I think Paul Holt needs a knockout.
We know both guys have serious heart. They're both good fighters. It may come down to cardio, Mike. And so many times in this sport, when technique is equal, when heart is equal, it comes down to the gas tank. Props to both guys on an amazing fight so far.
We'll watch for Zoo. Load up that right hand again. You know it's coming. You know it's coming.
Couple of body shots by Zoo, peppering up the rib cage of Paul Holt.
It looks like Paul Holt's recovered well, though, Will. He looks focused.
Yeah, his chin is impressive.
Paul Holt looks determined to get the knockout here in the third.
Zoo's got to keep his hands up.
You know, Will, a lot of fighters would almost give up, saying, man, I lost 2 rounds. I'm just going to hang in there. But Paul Holt looks like he's going for the finish. He's stalking Zoo.
Yeah, I don't think Paul Holt has it in him to give up.
Even when he's hurt, he charges forward.
Yeah, those are some of the things in this sport that you can't teach that kind of stuff. You either have it or you don't. Paul Holt definitely has it.
Yeah, showing the heart of a warrior is Paul Holt, and so is Zoo.
Both guys seem like they've recovered a little bit as far as their cardio, Mike. We talked about it right coming into this round, and both guys look to be a little lighter on their feet right now than they did at some points in the second round.
I agree, man. They may have gotten their second win.
Zoo's still breathing heavy out of his mouth, though. He's got to be careful like that. He's got to bite down on that mouthpiece.
3:40 to go in the fight.
Zoo's doing a nice job circling out here, staying away from Holt's power.
Zoo switching to southpaw stance. Goes body, head again. Shrugs the shoulders.
Wow.
As a sign of confidence.
Hunting the striker. One of Zoo's fans right behind us took the words out of her mouth. She said, Zoo, keep your hands up.
I agree 100%. Zoo again tries to land that overhand right and misses. Paul Holt's got to know he needs a knockout. Threw a crisp right hand there that missed. Watch the knees here, Will. Watch for Paul Holt to land these knees. He likes to throw them from this position. There's the knee to the thigh.
Another one.
Knee. Watch the knee to the belly. Another knee to the thigh.
And those knees hurt, Mike. That's not a bantamweight throwing a knee at you. That's a 245-pound behemoth throwing a knee at you.
.210 to go in the fight, Will.
Zoo turns Holt back into the cage now. What an amazing back and forth fight.
And this is where Zoo, he's fine here. He loved to ride out this fight right here against the cage. Landing some short lefts here on the body and the head of Paul Holt.
A referee watching the action real tight. I think he's about to bring him back to the center again.
And he does, Will, just as you say that. Minute 45, both fighters to the center of the cage. Can Paul Holt land a big right hand and knock out Zoo? Or will Zoo continue the pressure and win the decision? Superman punch. Didn't phase Paul Holt. Paul Holt.
Zoo's got to be careful now.
Paul Holt charging forward. He's stalking Zoo. Right hand that lands.
For 14 minutes, Zoo's been able to stay away from it.
Paul Holt still stalking Zoo. He looks determined, Will. I wouldn't be surprised if he lands a big shot here. Less than a minute to go in the third. Less than a minute to go in the fight. "40 seconds to go in the fight."
And these guys are still throwing down.
Paul Holt's got to go for it. He's got to throw haymakers here, Will. And Zoo has got to cover up and stay away. 20 seconds to go in the fight. Paul Holt's got to unload here, Will. He's got to unload.
And no matter what happens with this decision, Mike, I feel honored to be in attendance for this fight. Both of these warriors threw down tonight.
That's the end.
An amazing fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, wow. After 3 rounds, 15 minutes, and 500 pounds of fighting, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Coldflesh scores the fight 20-37. Judge KO scores the fight 29-28. Judge Giantini scores the fight 30-27. Winner by unanimous decision out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Zoo Anyanwu.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Zoo. Zoo, you said earlier today that this fight was extremely important for your career. It was do or die. You started your career off 4-0. You had a little 2-fight losing skid. This fight meant a lot to you. You rocked him in the first, almost finished him, rocked him again in the second, able to pick up the victory. I know you got family and friends in attendance because they were screaming behind me the whole fight. The floor is yours, my friend. Tell us your thoughts.
Paul Holt hits extremely hard. So hard. Hardest I ever got hit. I just trained a lot for this fight. Ricardo, Brian P, Novan, and Dave, Judo Dave. This fight was it, man. I'm happy right now. I'm gonna come to wreck this heavyweight division though. I'm only gonna get better. I had a bad knee operation and came back from that. It took a while to win. I'm back now. I can stand with anybody. Need to work on a couple things, and we'll grab that title soon.
Hey, man, I've been working for Cage Fury for 3 years now. That was by far one of the most entertaining fights I've ever seen. Congratulations on your victory, my friend. We will see you back soon.
Yo, one thing. Hold up. Yo, Bazooka, you suck.
Give it up for him, Zoo!